aching him like a fish stuck in the teeth which is neither coming out nor going in. First, the tiger disturbed him in the jungles of the Simlipal, which is common, but then it suddenly enters the city of Bhubaneswar. This is the capital city and full of human beings. Large scale urbanization is going on in this city, so it is weird. And then, here in this remote island of North Sentinel Island, where there is no written or verbal history of tiger sightings, but now he is hearing its growls more clearly than what comes out from a sound box. Is it possible? And uh, why me? Why this tiger is always disturbing me? Thought Panda. At this time, he saw the tiger in full view, crossing the pathway that was created by the rainwater crisscrossing the jungles. It is nearly 6 feet long, from its nose to tail. Its weight will be more than 300 kilos. It is huge. Its color is golden yellow, little brighter from the Royal Bengal tiger, which are generally seen in the wild forest of the Indian subcontinent. He just stands still behind the bush. The sheer presence of the tiger has stolen all his bravery, smartness, and pride of being an experienced police officer. It is a monster. This type of tiger is